You're watching Center Stage with Rahul Kamal.
Good evening and a very warm welcome. Baba Ramdev is no stranger to controversies. This time though, the Baba has landed into the black money mess while taking aim at the UPA government. In just a few moments from now, Baba Ramdev will square off against Congress's General Secretary Digvijay Singh. This is a Center Stage exclusive. But first, let's look at how the issue snowballed into a political blame game, with the Congress pointedly asking the yoga guru about his source of funds.
और जो संपत्ति उन्होंने बना लिया है वो शायद हवा पानी से बना होगा।
एक एक पाई का हिसाब है मेरे और गवर्नमेंट को जमा कराता हूं। हर साल 100% ऑडिट होता है।
हम मांग करते हैं उनसे कि वो इस बात का भी ध्यान रखें, हमें उनसे कोई विरोध नहीं है, वे खूब योगा सिखाएं, खूब दवाइयां बांटें, लेकिन जब वो काले धन के लिए इतना चिंतित है तो जो उनको दान देते हैं, दानदाताओं से लिखवा के ले लिया करें कि ये नंबर 2 का पैसा नहीं है।
अब मैं कांग्रेस का हिसाब पूछूंगा, ये तो सामने से पूछा है ना मेरे से, मैं तो बता रहा हूं मेरा तो जो भी ट्रस्ट है। और एक बात सुन लो, कांग्रेस में एक भी आदमी आकर के बता दे जो कहे कि इसका 1 रुपए कहीं बैंक बैलेंस नहीं है।
Even before the Baba formally enters Indian politics, he is already engaged in a heated political war of words, and worse, finds himself right in the middle of it for a possession. Indian Netadam has forever been accused of stashing away in secret accounts black money. Baba Ramdev had launched an attack on the UPA government on the black money issue, but it backfired, and now it's the new age Teleguru who's trying to account for his riches and assets.
स्वामी राम जी के गुरु हैं, जिनके नाम पर वो ट्रस्ट है, जिनके नाम पर आश्रम है, वो उसकी जांच निश्चित रूप से होनी चाहिए।
स्वामी रामदेव के नाम ना 1 इंच जमीन, ना हिंदुस्तान में और ना जहान में, ना 1 इंच जमीन और ना 1 रुपए बैंक बैलेंस।
If it's any solace, the BJP is rallying around the Baba, scoring political points of its rival, the Congress.
जहां पब्लिसिटी मिलेगी वहां दिग्विजय सिंह जी भाषण देंगे।
That he should not be using non-political platform to make political speeches.
You said something about black money. You attack Baba Ramdev also, as if offense is the best part of defense.
Well, the Baba claims to be worth more than 1,000 crore rupees, a brand bigger even than the Congress party. He has hit back at the Congress leadership measure for measure. Babaji has a cure for everything, from homosexuality to drug addiction. But will he be able to mend the black money malady afflicting his not yet started political career? How else can he keep up his resolve to float a political party with a clean image and cleanse the country's political system? With Bureau Inputs, Avantika Singh, Headlines Today.